Okay, so I will be opening the fridge, and my sister will be opening that. So let's open it. I just opened the top. Alright, the first thing are these little mini bread things. I don't know what they are. They're like plates or something. I don't know. But, I think this is just this game. These are games. But whatever, it's so fun. Alright. Oh, there's only one mini bread here. There's Alright, I got this. Anna, one of the things Skylar got, she got a game so we can play tonight. And I got ice cream. Little Hershey's. This can go with the ice cream. Okay. So, yeah, I'm going to go take a look and show you guys what it comes with. First thing it comes with is this salad mix. Put that in the box so we don't lose it.
Ooh, smoked bacon.
Some bacon. Oh, just look. And this is the fridge it came with. Let's try to open it. That's the freezer. And this is the fridge part. Very cool. We're gonna fill it up. Those are all the mini breads we got. She's going through right now.
Egg cutter. Delicious waffles. Popsicles.
Butter.
Is that the car?
Ooh, what is this? Ooh, it's cabbage.
I wish the
That's
ice cream
cool.
had ice cream actually in it. That'd be so cool.
Ketchup.
Apples.
Apples. Soda. A soda pop. Ooh,
Fun.
fun. Hershey's grapes. Somewhere in here, hopefully. Oh, Scott, the top doesn't come with it. Apples. Cheese.
Oh, is this the bottom?
Yeah.
Ah.
And what else? Is there anything else left over in this? Nope. Yep, we already did the soda. Okay, let's stock up the fridge.
Sorry, the fridge is empty. We need to go shopping.
Yep, and they're gonna stock up the fridge. They're gonna stock up the fridge. There's the fridge. It's all filled with ice cream, waffles, water, bacon, salad, cabbage, grapes, cheese, eggs, apples, Hershey, soda, butter, ketchup, and milk. Oh, and popsicles. Okay, let's close it up. Closed up. Bye.